Hello friends, and welcome to our fourth video this week as we look at functions in Excel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the SUMPRODUCT function. My name is Mercy Consolata Keller. Let's get started. So what is the SUMPRODUCT function, or what does it do? The SUMPRODUCT function does exactly what its name implies. It gives you the sum of products. So I'm using this example here. I have these two columns, the number of passengers and the fare. Here gives you the total number of passengers and then the amount each of them paid in terms of fare. So to get the total of how much all the 100 passengers paid, you would have to multiply the 100 times the $7.83 to give you the $783. Once you've done that, you have all these respective totals, and then your task is left to get the grand total, which brings you to this. Now, there can be an easier way to do this, and that's where the SUMPRODUCT function comes in. So the SUMPRODUCT function basically takes in arrays of values and then gives you the output. So instead of going through all this cumbersome labor, you just use the SUMPRODUCT function and it will give you exactly the same output. So choose a cell that you want your value to be placed in, equals, and then the SUMPRODUCT function. And then you enter in the first range of values. So we want the number of passengers, comma. Next, we enter in the range of values for the fare. Then we close the bracket, press enter, and there you go. You have exactly the same thing. And you didn't have to go through all these cells in order to get to it. You just needed one cell, a function, a bunch of arrays, and you've got your value. So that has been it for this video. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.